In this video, I'm going to show you how to discover TikTok trends. Now, there isn't like a formula that you follow to discover trends. You need to be on TikTok and just scroll on your For You page and see the accounts or videos that have a lot of views. If for some reason you are not seeing videos in your niche, go to the search at the top right, and let's say you're in the food niche. Click on food, or just type in food, and then you're going to see accounts that have made some food. You can see what type of content they made, what type of music have they added to their video, and basically how the video goes and rolls in general. Or if you can see, there's a section that you may like, and that's it. It's pretty straightforward, but it takes time to actually just scroll and scroll until you find what suits you and then just save it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.